Well, in this song I say, it's late, I hear the doorbell ringing, and it's pouring. I open up that door and see your brown eyes at the entrance. You just want to talk, and I can't turn away a wet dog. So I thought it would be fun to get a wet dog and try to turn them away.
Oh, there's the wet dog.
I can't be your friend, can't be your lover, can't be